Are you looking to start your baking business in 2025? If you are, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Kanye. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a baker and I have been baking for 8 years. So I decided that I am going to share some of my tips, just 3 tips, top tips that you need for starting your baking business. All right, so without any waste of time, let's get right into it. The first tip is that have a plan and then start. I know a lot of people always say just start, but you have to have a plan before you start a baking business. So you need to know all the different products you're going to need, all the different baking equipment you're going to need. You need to know what kind of buttercream you're going to be using, because there is a lot of different buttercreams. And you need to know where you're going to buy your stock. You need to know who your suppliers are. You need to price check different suppliers. So for example, you also need to check that how much are you going to price all of your products or the products that you're starting with. So that is very important, because if you start without knowing how you're going to price your cakes, you are going to get to a place where you're going to think that it is not worth it, and then you'll shut down your business. So pricing is also quite important. So in essence, it's very important to have a plan before you start. So plan and then start. Tip number 2, consistency. You need to be consistent when you're operating a baking business. All right, so what I mean by this is that don't open your business for 2 months and then you close for 6 months. Don't operate for a week and then you closed for half of the week. People want to trust you. People want to know that if you said you're open Monday from 8 until 5, they will find you between 8 and 5 p.m. So consistency is key. People want to trust that they can rely on you. As soon as people feel like you're not a reliable baker, guess what? They won't support your business. Consistency is key. Tip number 3, advertise, advertise, advertise. Advertise your products. I know when you start, you haven't been baking for a lot of clients, but you can bake for your friends, your family, bake little cupcakes, take pictures of them, and just create content so that when you advertise your product, even if you advertise the same product every day, the fact that you are advertising something, it says to your client that, oh, she really is in the baking business and she is still operating. So it's very important to advertise your product. Always make sure that you are creating some content to post, even if it's not necessarily an order, but always make sure that you are creating this content, because you have to show people that you are a baker. And how do you do that? You have to advertise your baked goods. So starting, I know that you don't have a lot of clients or even a lot of orders, but just you have to take some money from your pocket, get some ingredients, bake something, take nice pictures of it so that you can advertise. And that is what will draw people into your business. That is what will have customers knocking at your door. So that is my tip. Advertising, advertising, advertising. I can't stress this enough. Don't advertise once a week. Advertise every single day. You can decide for yourself when your off day is. For example, my off day is on Sundays. I love to rest on Sundays and go to church, so I won't be posting anything on Sundays. But you can tailor this for yourself. If you're not working, I know most bakers don't work on Mondays, so then they won't be posting anything on a Monday. It's a rest day. But for the other 6 days of the week, make sure that you are advertising your product. Advertise, advertise, advertise. There's so many social media platforms that we can use now. Make use of them, because it's not just word of mouth that'll get your product out there or your business, but advertising as well. That's it. Those are my top 3 tips. I do hope that these will help you. Do comment below if you have a question to ask me. Start your business. It's the beginning of the year. It's the perfect time to start your business. Imagine where you will be 9 months from now. I hope these helped you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.